Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction about Polygon Matic. What's going on in the Polygon? What's the price changes occurs in the Polygon Matic? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Polygon Matic. Now guys, you can see here the the right now price of Polygon in the market is about 127 cent. 127 cent is the right now price. And other side, if we talk about the changes, negative 23.23% changes occurs in the Polygon Matic, in 1.66 USD dollar is the highest price of a Polygon Matic in the market. Anyways guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Polygon Matic? Please also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, guys. Guys, if you look the price chart of a Polygon Matic, so you can see here from 7 September the price of Polygon start falls. But in the latest situation, I think the price start jumping. You can see here. Gradually the price start jump, so now it is a good time for all Polygon Matic holders. Now they're in the pumping mood, and I hope guys that they continue this pump for a long time. Anyways guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Polygon Matic? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.